Right, today guys we're going to attempt to repair the Suzuki fairings. A few cracks up here, one down here, bit missing there, so we're going to have a go at trying to fix them. Right, so we've got the nice hot soldering iron. This one's a bit tricky, so trying to push that together at the same time. Just going to melt that a little bit so it sticks together. Then we're going to fiberglass over the top of it. I'm actually building the whole bike, but it's in such a mess. There's so much stuff missing and a bit of a wreck. Trying to do it on a budget, so we're going to try and repair everything we can. And these will be painted as well. So the cracks on the outside will be filled, obviously before painting. I'm trying to rough this up a bit as well to give it a bit of a key so the fiberglass can stick properly, so it's not smooth. Give it a nice key. Right, now these big ones there. More cable tie on there, we didn't cut. Best we can. Sorry about that. Them holes what that guy before drilled will be filled obviously, so you won't see any of that. Like I say, we're going to go over the top with fiberglass, make it nice and strong. Let's try and clean up a bit there. Plastic around there. I would have just bought a new one, but 150 quid, 200 quid. So just trying to do this bike on a budget. This big one there. Just try and pin that there, just so it holds. Right. We've got a big chunk missing down here as well, so we're going to have to put some plastic in there as well as get rid of that crap. This is a gsxr 750 K5. Second and third gear has gone on the engine as well, so that's going to be a big job to tackle when we get round to that. Key for the fiberglass to stick to. Outside of them holes, and the fiberglass will go through there and hold it a bit better, I think. I'm actually going to come up a bit higher on the ramp, so I'm not going to notice as much. I think that's it.